Welcome to Tech You Through. Please like, subscribe and tap the bell icon to never miss any future videos.
So guys, I ended up getting the purple iPhone 14 Pro, and this is how it looks like. This is a brand new iPhone 14 Pro, the purple, 256 gigabytes. So it was always between the silver or the purple one. Silver is my most favorite one, but the purple is just special. I love the color, and it's the newest color, and it could hold its value more because of this color. That's what I'm thinking. Here you can see the pull tabs, and you just peel it off like that. Nothing new there. And this is the new iPhone, the purple. It's new and fresh without any fingerprints on it. It has the best look that I will get from it, because once I take it out of the box, it will have all the fingerprints all over it. So these are the new, much raised cameras here, and you can see what I'm talking about the macro lens. If I go like this, you can see that my 13 mini can't hold up, and that should not be the case with the Pro lineup. I would be okay with the 13 Pro, but those are removed and no longer for sale. Only these 14 Pros. So of course you have only the Lightning to USB Type-C cable inside. You have no power adapter. You have all these papers and SIM removal tray, and the Apple sticker, of course. A fun fact: if you are buying your phone in China or in Hong Kong, they have not only one physical SIM card, but actually two physical SIM cards. That's what I've been told. We will check this right now. And in the United States, and I believe maybe in Canada as well, they have no physical SIM cards actually. So in Europe, they have the regular one SIM card, and we have to check that right now. And the moment of truth. So it's really hard to film with one hand. Oh, it's one side and the other side. You can see that my iPhone 13 mini can't film in macro mode. So I believe it's two-sided SIM tray. You can put one SIM card from one side and the other one from the other side. So as that. And now we can peel off this paper. And it's a brand new phone. And you can see the shiny stainless steel sides. They are really deep purple, and I can't stand that it's not filming any macro. I'm happy that I can, from now on, that I can film with the 14 Pro, and I can make many close-up shots, because I'm pretty sure that I can get this sharp macro video and macro photos. So that's a beautiful, beautiful deep purple iPhone 14 Pro. And right now I will make a backup from my 13 mini and put all my information, photos and all the data in this iPhone 14 Pro. So this is how the dynamic island looks like. So this is the introduction screen. So right now I'm backing up my iPhone 13 mini. And meanwhile, I have here the iPhone 14 Pro silicone case. That's the new one, and it's called Elderberry case, and it's really nice purple one. And as I showed you in the first floor of the store. These two go really nicely together, and of course I had to pick this one because not many of these new cases are worth spending the money for. But I have to say, here in Hong Kong they have no sales tax here. That's why it's much more better to buy any Apple device or any Apple accessory here in Hong Kong, just because you are saving much more money than, for example, buying the same phone or case in Europe. So you can see the pull tab here as well. Just pull it off. Really simple, nothing there. We can open it up. Here you can pull out the case. And it's a beautiful, beautiful purple. It's actually a purple or lilac color. It's really hard to tell on camera, but if we move it to different lighting, you can see it much more better. It's darker shade purple, and I think it will go perfectly together. I'm not thinking, I know, I saw it in the first floor. And here you can see the microfiber material inside, so there are no scratches to this beautiful purple iPhone. I probably have to put a screen protector as well, but I usually don't use them. But that's how the case looks like, and I just put it on. And that's how the deep purple phone looks with the purple case on it. Really, really beautiful. Really, really nice. You can see the lightning port cutout, the microphone cutouts, the speaker cutouts. You can see the dynamic island. And you can see these beautiful cameras. They are protected with a plastic ring around it. So really, really nice. Nice clicky buttons that are darker, almost black color, and the power button. So that's the silicone case.